Hey everyone, welcome back, and this time let me show you how you can remove sound from the iPhone video. So if you go to your gallery and locate your videos in here, it's very likely that they are going to have the sound included with it, right? So for example, I click on this video, you can see that let me just come back. So you can see that the video can be played. We have the controller below, and you can switch between the loud mode and quiet mode. But if you want to permanently delete and remove the audio from it, make sure the video is open like this. And below we have a couple of controls and buttons. And this one means edit mode. So click on the edit button below like this, and we get to control some things, like we can trim the video or add some effects and whatnot. But in the top left corner we have the audio icon, and at this time when we uncheck the audio, it will be permanent, right? So let's hit the done button to actually save it like that. And now the video cannot be like turned up in terms of the audio. The audio is like removed from the video entirely, right? So you can share it with someone. You don't have to worry about the audio being there. Keep in mind, however, that this can be reversed. And if you go back to the edit mode and either click on the revert button or re-enable the audio, then you can bring it back. But at the point when it was saved before, it was saved without the audio. So that's kind of how it works on iPhone. Let me know if you found this video helpful or if it worked for you. Subscribe so you don't miss more quick tips and videos like this one. And I'll see you later in the next uploads.